Hello everyone! Welcome to Review Infinite, the best product review channel on YouTube today. Today we're here again with another list of 5 best products on the market. These reviews are based on thousands of customer reviews and positive ratings. So, let's make a list of best products in this video.
5 best humidifier reviews. Number 5. Pure Enrichment Mist Air Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier.
Moisturize the dry air in your home or office in minutes with the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. This powerful and sleekly designed tabletop humidifier is packed with smart features, making it the ideal solution to improve the air quality in any room. Featuring a 1.5-liter tank delivering more than 150 milliliters of moisture per hour, this humidifier provides unparalleled relief from dry air and runs for up to 16 hours on a single tank. Fine-tune the exact amount of moisture you desire with a 360-degree mist nozzle, as well as high and low mist settings. For a soothing glow and maximum relaxation, turn on the optional nightlight. The humidifier couldn't be more safe and user-friendly, with automatic shutoff when the water level is low or the tank is removed. You'll sleep well knowing that the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier is backed by Pure Enrichment's industry-leading 2-year warranty. The Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. Order yours today and experience a dramatic improvement in the air quality of your home or office.
It can moisturize the air up to 16 hours if you run it continuously. 1.5-liter tank is sufficient enough to cover medium-sized rooms. The nightlight can create a soothing environment to feel relaxed. Included this cleaning brush, adapter, user manual. Brand, Pure Enrichment. Weight, 2.27 pounds. Model, PEHUMIDIF. Color, white. Dimension, 10.9 into 9.2 into 6.9 inches. Number 4. Levoit Humidifiers.
smart ultrasonic humidifier in your home.
%25% quicker adjustment of humidity levels than other cool mist devices. Both the remote and touch control panel helps to fix the settings. With 6-liter capacity, it can deliver mists around 20 to 36 hours continuously. It is whisper quiet. It runs under 36 decibel of sounds. Brand, Levoit. Weight, 6.31 pounds. Model, B01 meter YGNGKK. Style, integrated sensor. Capacity, 6 liter. Dimension, 11.3 into 7 into 10.5 inches. Number 3. Honeywell HCM350W Germ-Free Cool Mist Humidifier White.
The Honeywell Cool Moisture Humidifier provides 99.9% germ-free moisture for dry air relief. Designed for medium-sized rooms, this humidifier helps relieve dry air discomforts like dry throat, chapped lips, and static shock. With this unique humidifier, water passes through a UV system that kills up to 99.9% of bacteria, mold, fungus, and virus in the unit's water before being released into the air. 3 fan speeds control moisture output, and the Quiet Care technology makes it ideal for use in a bedroom. For germ-free, temporary relief from dry air discomfort, try the Honeywell Cool Moisture Humidifier. For more information or to purchase accessories, visit honeywellpluggedin.com.
It uses UV technology to kill maximum bacteria in the water. It can run up to 24 hours with 1-gallon tank. The evaporative technology helps to evaporate into air quickly. By maintaining 40 to 60% humidity, it can reduce food viruses. Brand, Honeywell. Weight, 9.55 pounds. Model, HCM350 or HCM350 TGT. Color, white. Dimension, 13 into 18.6 into 10.4 inches. Number 2. Vixen Cool Mist Humidifier, Ultrasonic Humidifiers. The humidifier is quicker than a computer. One control knob helps to cover a wide range of humidity. Dial knob system makes it easy to adjust mist output amount. Automatic shut-off option turns the device off when the water tank is empty. Brand, Vixen. Weight, 2.45 pounds. Color, white. Water capacity, 2.0 liter. Dimension, 10.8 into 7.5 into 10.2 inches. Number 1. Enrichment Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. Mist humidifiers. The 0.9-gallon capacity allows it to run 20 to 36 hours continuously. It doesn't leave any condensation. It can cover medium to large-sized rooms. Premium materials can reduce bacteria and other allergic problems. Deep groove design helps to avoid base crack and leakage. Brand, Enrichment. Weight, 2.9 pounds. Model, CF25308. Color, white. Capacity, 3.5 liter. Dimension, 9 into 9.9 into 8.7 inches.
All the products are available on Amazon, and we listed down their Amazon links in the description. Check them out to know which one is best suited to your needs. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching it till the end. Hope you liked it and all your confusions have been cleared up. If so, then go and give a thumbs up. If you are new, consider subscribing to our channel for our future video notifications. We review all sorts of products based on our audience demand to make your decision easier. Please let us know which product you owned from the list and why. Also, let us know if we missed any of your favorite products which deserve to be here. Put the name of your products that you want to be reviewed by us in the comment section below. As always, we put the links of these mentioned products in the description below. Check them out for their best prices and details. We are not permitted to mention the prices in this video. So, cheers with the best one!